When you're out in the wild, your gear is your lifeline. The Rhino Xventure gear hard cases offer great protection for anything you might have out on the trail. And as you can see, they come in a variety of sizes, and they're all packed with some amazing features. The rubberized handles provide a comfortable grip, even when you're wearing gloves. You can easily carry it with confidence. These family-friendly, finger-safe flex latches make opening and closing the case a breeze. No more struggling with complicated locks. And the stackable design allows you to conveniently store multiple cases without taking up too much space. And if you're traveling by air, these cases are airline friendly. They come with an automatic pressure release valve and provisions for a padlock, ensuring your gear remains secure and well protected. Now let's take a look at the quick release mount. This thing is no slouch when it comes to durability. It's made from heavy-duty 16-gauge steel, so you know your gear is going to be secure no matter the conditions. Finally, the quick release mount features a textured black powder coat finish, not only adding style to your adventure rig, but also providing extra protection against the elements.